What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. Hey, I'm DecemberDeMarco. Y'all know what time it is, man. The markets are heating up. Shiba Inu is rallying, and here's a few reasons why. Now, we already know why on the channel, but more importantly, I want to pay attention to notice how all the analysts, all the media are, focusing back on Shiba Inu. This is another underlying sign that things are about to start heating up. You want to connect the dots, not only in what, the price is doing, what, the developments that are on the, horizon. You want to also track how outside analysts, how the media is portraying, the overall sentiment of Shiba Inu. Now we're going to start seeing a lot of articles, a lot of people talking about Shiba Inu, which is going to increase the hype and get more investors back into Shiba Inu, and also new investors, which is going to allow us to go higher. Now, a lot of people are afraid to invest within the last few months. That's wearing off right now. People are becoming exhausted with sitting on the sidelines or just, seeing the markets kind of stale. We got good news coming up, hopefully, with this CPI data report on the 14th. Also, the possible release of Shiba on the 14th as well. So things are, looking up for the space. We see also a lot of smaller, low cap or meme coins starting to heat up as well. So make sure you become a channel member or join, my Facebook groups and whatnot to be able to get access to some of these other plays of tokens that, are low-key gems, possible gems. We got to say, it's not financial advice. You still have to do your own due diligence, but some of the plays that we're looking at on the channel. So you should be able to click somewhere down below, and it's a join button. Click that. We'll have a lot more content coming to that section as well. Salute to everybody already over there holding it down. But despite cryptocurrency cataclysmic past year, a herd of tokens have begun to claw their way back in 2023. Now, leading the pack is Shiba Inu, the dog meme inspired coin, which has surged over 35% in the last few days and almost 100% in the last month. That means whatever you put in the last month, just about, if you would have put in, let's say $1,000, almost $2,000. If you would have put in $5,000, almost $10,000. Also, pay attention to Vote Inu too. If y'all been hearing me talk about Vote Inu, you know why. And if you haven't, go tap into my Vote Inu videos. Shout out to the Vote Army. Drop hashtag vote in the comment section. But let's see what else we got here. It's a part of a broader trend in the industry. Crypto poster child and top token Bitcoin has rallied 37% since January 1st. So when Bitcoin is starting to take off, it pulls the rest of the market with it. Now, what's a good thing about Shiba Inu is it has such a large community that sometimes we could break out above Bitcoin. Not saying, we'll be more valuable than Bitcoin, but we can see higher gains than Bitcoin because we're a lower cap project than Bitcoin. We have more, I won't say more room to the upside, but we just have, it's easier for Shiba Inu to double in price, to get to I think we were last around an $8 billion market cap, somewhere around there. It's easier for us to reach a $16 billion market cap than it is for Bitcoin to reach where is it at right now? So 443 million. So basically back around that $900 billion market cap. So it's easier for us to double in price. That's what I want y'all to pay attention to. But let's take a look. Where are we here? So what's driving the shift isn't immediately obvious. Amongst the most glaring green lights, optimism in the macroeconomic climate stemming from signs that inflation may be finally waning. So that's that CPI report that we talked about that we'll be releasing on the 14th. Also, Federal Chairman Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak today as well. So we could see the markets really heat up today if he releases some good news. So y'all be, tuned for that. Also, some Ethereum upgrades happening as well, but some may also believe in the prevailing Bitcoin analysis, which calculated that the 21,000 level was so-called the floor price for Bitcoin, and that if the price were to drop as low as a few thousand below the floor, what's called support would kick in when traders start buying the dip, thus propping up the price once again. Bitcoin has bounced back from a low of under 16,000 in November to nearly 23,000 today, and the token across the broad board have rebounded in tandem. Meanwhile, the Ethereum blockchain is gearing up for a major technical boost when the chain will undergo a hard fork during the Shanghai upgrade, which will let crypto traders who invested tokens into maintaining the chain's ledger finally withdraw their stakes from the system. So we got to think about what that can possibly do. Some investors, if depending on what the price of Ethereum is up right there, they could possibly take some profits, which could potentially, put a little retracement in the markets. But overall, the market is, in a bullish rally, if you ask me. So I wouldn't be too worried about any major corrections. I would be looking for those corrections if you're interested in accumulating more of whichever assets you're looking at. So when it dips, that's the opportunity to buy. You want to buy when the market is fearful. You want to buy when the price is pulling back. You don't want to chase those green candles. So that's all we got for this video. Become a channel member by clicking the join button down below somewhere. Also, join my Facebook group. Follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, as well as Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. If you're in the Vegas area, we got some lit events also. So tap in with me, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are